Welcome back to CD Training Academy tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to create a preset navigation learning path. Let's get started. We will start by clicking on the Learning Paths tab at the top of your screen. Next, we will click on Add Learning Path. As we have discussed before in previous videos, there are 4 different types of learning paths. For this tutorial, we will be using the preset navigation type. A preset navigation learning path allows you to control the order that your users or employees go through and complete the courses in the learning path. An example of employees that would be placed in this type would be employees that are in a certain department that need the same courses completed in the same order. For this example, I will name this learning path New Employee Orientation. Add a description if you would like, and make sure to always activate the learning path. You will then click on the learning path that was just created. The next step is to add courses to the learning path. We will click on the tab Add New Courses. This screen will show all the courses in your system. A quick tip that makes it easier to find courses by the date that they were entered is by clicking on the Insert Date tab. You are able to switch it back and forth from most recently added to the first course added in the system and so on. For this learning path, I will select the courses that I am needing by checking the box next to the course name. Then click Add Selected. If you need to move around these courses, then you can simply drag and drop them to change the order. Then click Save Course Order. Now, under the Quiz Required column, if it says no, then there is no quiz attached to the course. If it says Optional, there is a quiz. If you would like for the quiz to be required, you will click on the Optional tab, and it will change to Yes. The last step is to assign users to your new learning path. You will click on Assigned Users at the top of your screen and then select Assign New Users. You will check the box next to the users you would like to assign and then click Add Selected. Another great feature is that you are able to assign user groups instead of individual users. You can do this by clicking on the next tab over Assigned User Groups and then Assign New User Group. You can then check the box next to the user group name and click on Add Selected. Now, I will log in as a user that was just assigned to this learning path. For this example, I will select the user Mary Lou and go to her learning paths. You are able to see that Mary will not be able to move on to the second course until the first course is completed. Now you know how to create preset navigation learning paths. See you next time. Do you have more questions about your portal? Let us know, and we will create a new CDTA tutorial for you. Subscribe to CD Training Academy's YouTube channel to keep up with newly added tutorials.